Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YUMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the 37-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 37, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above 37 cents, that would certainly be a huge sign of power, no doubt about it. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point right there at 32. So 37 and 32, two of the near-term levels of support going forward. As far as taking a step back and looking at things from more so the grand scheme of it all perspective, that's where the purple line down here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 37, that would be great. But from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of levels of resistance, pretty straightforward right now. The party stopped today up at 44 cents during the final 30 minutes of the day. So that is where the sellers are currently hanging out at, and it'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Great volume, and now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.